So one of the big issues that people have with EDC tins like this one is that you can't get more into it than will fit inside the thing. I mean, it gets packed in there, and there's you want to add one more thing, and there's no more room. So a couple months ago, I put out a video, and you'll see here, about how to add extra space, and I I thought it would just start a debate about what the purpose of an EDC tin was, but evidently a lot of people really wanted to figure out how to do this. So that's what we're going to talk about in today's video. Stick around. So your EDC tin is absolutely packed with everything now. You've got a pair of pliers, a Victorinox in here. You have a little flashlight. You have some cash. There's medications in there. Everything you pretty much need is packed in this thing. There is no more room for one more thing. You've got a couple more things you want to put into it. So what do you do now? Well, here's your alternative. Here's an empty tin. There's nothing on the bottom of it except for these two strips. And those are the loop part of a hook and loop. Well, that's what it looks like. So you got the loop on one side and the hook on the other. And this is called Velcro usually. And you can just tear it apart. You're going to end up with 4 little pieces of it. So you got 2 pieces of loop and 2 pieces of hook. And you're going to take the 2 pieces of loop and you're going to put them on the bottom of the tin like this. Then you're going to get 2 tins like these. And I'll give you the sizes and where you can get these from. And these have sliding tops. So you're going to turn these into drawers by taking the hook portion and you're going to attach it at the top of the tin, and then you're just going to attach it like this. And then the same for this side. You're attaching it like this. Oops. Got it on set here? Okay, we're going to turn around again. I got it backwards. Add it like that. And check it out. Now you got 2 drawers and your tin. And that's all there is to it. Very simple. Anybody can do it. So now you too know the secret behind the drawers that you can attach to an Altoids tin. Anyway, I've put together a PDF where you can a list of where you can source everything you need to do this yourself if you're interested in trying it out. The PDF is going to be in the description. There's a link to it. Just click on it. It'll open up and you can see where I got all this stuff from. Hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you stop by for another one. Take care.